Right here, we have a hole in a screen, which is gonna let bugs in and everything else. So instead of replacing the entire screen, I picked up this thing called Screen Mend. Not sponsored, by the way, but I thought it was a kind of a cool product. This is a 2-pack as well. You get squares this size, and there's adhesive on one side, and basically you cut a square, and then you put it on here, and you patch a hole. And it seems pretty quick and easy. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. This first step, you might be able to skip, but just because I think this flapping around is gonna bother me, I'm gonna take a utility knife and I'm gonna just cut this square so it's not like this. I just kind of make a nicer cut. I wanna make sure to leave enough right here for an overlap, because you need at least a 1/2 inch overlap for it to actually adhere to. So just cut this out, kind of like that, and it doesn't have to be perfect. Like that. Make sure I'm going far enough. Okay. There we go. Now we have a nice square hole, and then this is all intact. So now I'm going to take my little Screen Mend patch, and I'm going to make sure, again, to have at least a 1/2 inch on every side overhanging, and I'll cut a square out of here. Trim it about right here. So now with this patch, the side that's facing this paper has the adhesive on it, so don't mix it up. If I flip it, you can see all these kind of diamond patterns, like the clear part of it, that's all adhesive. So that's gonna kind of melt and stick to the screen. And all you would need to do that is a hairdryer. So I'm gonna line this up. This is also, it's worth noting, a charcoal patch. They also have silver patches. This looks like it's gonna work. So just high heat with my blow dryer, trying to hold it nice and square so it looks halfway decent. Now you wanna hold the hair dryer about 1 inch away as you heat this up, and basically just heat it up until this patch adheres to the existing screen. Now you have a patch. Still a little sticky, and it doesn't look perfect, but no mosquitoes will get in. It's a pretty cool alternative to replacing the entire screen. So if you needed something like this, hope the video helps. Thanks for watching.